Chinedu, na this last 500 remain.
No worry, Mama. God go provide. God, I better help my mama.
Who forget this wallet?
In this video, you will be learning how to create AI dialogue videos with powerful AI tool, free AI tool that will help you to generate, animate, all the amazing stuff you will love to do, just like this video that is playing here. It was generated using free AI tool, and you get to use Grok for free in this AI tool. You will also learn to channel your character, tune in your character to use African accents, Ghanaian, Nigerian, any accent you would like your character to use. Even that, isn't that amazing? Hi, welcome to Create with Emmy, where I give you interesting AI tool. I bring you AI tool, free AI tool, amazing AI tool that will help you in that content creation journey. If that sounds like what you will like, keep calm, leave an amazing comment. Subscription is free. When you subscribe, when you leave an amazing comment, when you like, it gives me reason to search more for all these tools. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video.
First things first, you go to your AI assistant. As you know, mine is ChatGPT, and I'm going to type and click on the search bar and say, give me a short movie. Now, the script is going to be a Nigerian base. This is where you get your African accent without typing or without making it pidgin English. I wrote there, you can still use your voice note, the mic version of it. Give me a short movie script with Nigerian English and a classical movie. Immediately, it brought it and it divided it into scene. I did not ask for a story. You could see it. I requested for a movie. Now I said it should give me image prompt for the movie above. Make the characters consistent. It is very important. Everything about the character, the age, everything will be consistent. Now, it is for this tutorial. You don't have to be professional in prompting. That thing that is in your head, how you want it to be, ask. That's why I always advise use the mic version so that you can express yourself. You understand? Don't allow anybody to eat your money. You want to be master prompting this and all of those things. Don't waste your time. Type in, it will give you what you want. Now long press and drag it and click on copy. Now this new AI tools I brought for you, just go to your search bar and type this particular name, or I don't know, it's a Chinese this now. I zoom it for you to see it. This is the logo, so that you don't pick anyhow. This is the logo. So you click on it and you wait for it to load. This will give you consistency, consistent character. Perfect. Now you could see the sign up or level up. I had to zoom out for you to see. You click on the sign up with Google or log in with Google. Just click on sign up. Now I'm going to pick my own my Gmail. Now this is it. It said good evening director. Automatically you are a director because you are here to make movie. Now I click on animate. I'm an animator, so that's the reason why I'm here. So I'm going to click on that for it to come out. These are all the things that are available. So this is done for you to fine tune you into what you want to do. And the interface is just like this, as you're seeing, like this. Okay, just cancel this one. All these are ads that are popping up. Now we click on start creating. Now this is what the interface look like. So when you click on the start create, now before we get there, if you look at the upper part, you will see 200 credit. That's what you get when you sign up. 200 credit, and you can subscribe. This is one of the AI tools I will advise you to subscribe for because it's amazing. Now when you click at the lower part, where the arrow is, you will see for you to generate image, for you to animate. Now if you look at image generation, you have see that well, nano banana, sorry. You have different this thing. Then for a video, you have sedans, you have Grok, amazing Grok. Now I will not advise you to use all these tools to generate your images, as they are not free. When you want to generate images here, they are not free. You could see, just because I pick Nano 2. Nano 2 is 11 credits. 11 kick or 11 credits. So I just waited in 11 credits just to prove a point to you. So I would advise you not to waste your credit. This is what it came up with, which is okay. But I would advise you use Whisk, use Google Pro Google Flow, use ChatGPT, use Gemini, use any one of them, but not this particular app. Save your credit to animate. Any AI tool I bring for you, do not use them to animate except Google Flow, ChatGPT, and also for this thing. So this is how you do. You copy. You know I've copied the prompt already. All I just have to do is to paste. So I'm just showing you. Now if I paste and I decide to generate that image, I am going to pay 11 cake or coin, but whatever it is, we are so not generating with this particular AI tool because it's too good for me to be wasting my credit to generate image when I can still use another app. So I've cancelled it. So I'm going to go to Gemini. It's for the purpose of this video. You know, Gemini automatically has watermark, but I don't mind because I have ways of removing a watermark. But for the purpose of this video, I don't have to go through the stress. So all I'm just going to do here is to click on create image, paste it, and I'm going to put the aspect ratio as size 16:9. That is for YouTube. Why if it's for TikTok, YouTube Short, and Facebook and all of that, you use 9:16 and you wait for your image to generate. Now you will notice while I was generating the image, I'm going to be typing the size myself. Now, it is from your prompt that you will tell it to add this actual size of image because you don't want to go through the stress. But as at when I was putting my prompt in, I am not sure of the aspect ratio I want to use. The aspect ratio is the size, which is the 9:5, right? 9:16, and all of that. So I'm going to go back to go and copy the next scene where Chinedu is walking to the market. The title of this movie is The Last 500. I'm going to paste and I'm still going to do the same thing with the aspect ratio. Now, one thing I would like you to note in this is the consistency of my character. Look at it. You could see the certain modern classical Nigerian this thing. You could see consistency, the outfit, everything. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Give me prompts to animate. So I need a prompt to animate. Like I always say, always use your AI tool. Use them. Don't predict yourself. They will give you the aesthetic, the everything. You could see what I just typed. I told them Nigerian's classic setting, modern classic setting, and they gave me it's giving IB, it's giving Lagos the setting. And this is this thing I requested that dialogue should be added. Now if you note, if you want multiple dialogue like 3-4 people, I add it. Me, I just want simple movie to show you you can be consistent. So I'm going to copy the description, copy everything completely. Now we go back to our AI tool. Now I am going to click on the plus sign button. Now I noticed that I did not download the first image from Gemini. So I'm going to go back. I click on save and I downloaded the image. Now I went back, automatically it has been added. I click on the blue tick. Now this is it. You see it loading. Now you wait for it to load. I had to zoom out for you to see very well. Now you will see it's still in the image. Now you click on the ChatGPT sign that you can see. Now is in image, you click on video. Now you scroll down and look for um Grok. Now let me show you something. Grok imagine is 60. Now I check to confirm my aspect ratio, any aspect ratio you want to use. Now the interesting thing about this, you can generate up to 15 seconds. Now this is the amount. The higher the time, the longer, the bigger your money. So it depends on your money. That's why I said this is one of the AI too. I advise you to. Apart from that, the result is bomb, is worth it. The lip sync, every damn thing is dope. It's really nice. So I'm just going to settle for the 5 seconds. Grok. Now you will see others. We have the Gemini, we have the Cedars, we have this Voodoo. This is the first time I'm seeing that Voodoo, and I hope to try it. Even Kling is also there. Kling AI, I'm showing you. I'm going to do a separate video exploring this particular AI tool for you. In the next video, I'll be exploring this particular, showing you a whole lot of things you could do with it. So I'm going to paste in my prompt. All these they are just the details that are under the things that could happen that you could do with the app there. This is it. So look at Voodoo. This Voodoo, whatever, you can use it and it's 40 credit. Kling here is 40 credit. Kling is 40 credit here, while Grok is 1.60 credit. Grok Imagine is 60 credits, and everything that it will generate for you is dope. And one thing you will notice, you have access to all the tool at the highest level. It's only that Voodoo Abi Video that is 20 credits or cake, depending on what they are using. But let's get right. I'm going to long press and paste in the prompt. You remember that prompt that I copied from ChatGPT? Then I'm going to click send. Now, this is what it looks like anytime it's trying to generate an image for you. Anytime it's trying to animate an image, it will analyze it, it will do this thing. Just take a little moment, and that is it. If you're familiar with Queen AI, you will understand. Listen to this because it's amazing and dope and clean.
Chinedu, now this last 500 remain.
No worry, mama. God go provide.
You see how amazing. Click on download and save to device. Let's animate another image. Like, this thing is so dope. Really nice. You wait for it to load. You repeat the same process. This app is so good. The aesthetics, the everything, lip sync, how clean the video is. So nice. And those of you that will say 60 credits and they gave us 200 credits, my dear, that is why I always advise you have multiple email. And if you know you don't have time for that, just go and subscribe. Pay $50, pay $100, pay. I would advise you have multiple email, 5 email. That's what I have. So I'm just going to log in, log out. By the time I finish exhaust this one, I log out to that email address. And apart from that, this particular app, AI2, gives you free credit every day. So go there and claim your credit every day. That is it. And with that, you've generated your images. Now imagine giving you 200 credits every day, right? 200 credits as you animate. That is good. Now at the end of the day, you go to CapCut and you put your images together, like the videos you animated, you put them together. CapCut is one of those amazing apps that you use to do all of this. Now you put them together, and with this, you are done. You can decide to even go ahead to add auto caption. Now if you are, you like you said, you know, free things. Now you're using auto caption is paid on CapCut. When you're uploading on TikTok, on every other app, it is free. So you put auto caption there at that app. Now you see I'm trimming some excess part out of it. You can see how to trim, right? You click it on the both side, you trim it to the side, you drag a bit, you expand. That thing, that's just it. There's nothing you're doing here. There's no serious thing you're doing. Now this black part, this CapCut logo, you cut it out, you remove it. Now you confirm again if your email, if your the image, everything you generated, if the video is to your liking. You could see the rider, the bicycle, the motorcycle there. Everything is detailed. This is amazing. Remember to like, subscribe, leave an amazing comment. This encourages me. And you're done, right? Listen to the final one. Bye.
Chinedu, now this last 500 remain.
No worry, mama. God go provide. God, I better help my mama.
Eh? Who forget this wallet?